How to enable Facebook friend suggestion. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To enable the Facebook friend suggestion, you need to tap open your Facebook application. Make sure you are logged into your Facebook account. Now often you will find the friend suggestion if you click on the friend icon. In here, you will find all of the friend suggestion by clicking on see friend suggestion. However, if you cannot see any of the request or suggested friend just like mine, it means that you have not uploaded any of the contact or the account that you have along with your email address and mobile number is not associated with any of the other person. In that case, what you can do is you can try to upload contact. For that, tap on the three horizontal line in your top right and click on setting gear icon. Right here in the settings and privacy, you need to scroll down until you see the option of Meta Account Center. If you have the latest version, it will be at the top. From here under account settings, head over and check out your information and permission. Click on the option of upload contact. Then select on your Facebook account. Right over here, you need to make sure that this button right here is toggled on. That is contact upload. Then select on continue and tap on app settings. From here, you need to check out permissions and tap on contact and make sure to allow it. After that, Facebook will actually head over and check out all of the contact that is within your device, and it will help you to enable your friend suggestion. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.